And we said it for Bbig, the price will go down if we don't respect this box that we talked about. Hope you saw the video because it was crazy movement. The price went up pre-market, then sold off pretty quick. So I know in the pre-market always volatile. That's why I always do pre-market on our Patreon. That's why I always do pre-market update for the volatility before the market open. Okay, so that's why here we talked about it on January 26th, and what we said, we're gonna see any price get rejected below this box mean will go down toward the $2.16. So this is, we talked about it in Patreon. As we said here, right now the fear and greed index turning to the fear indicator. Before, like 2 days ago, if you remember, it was on the greed, okay, indicator. What's mean, before the market when went down, the market has been heavily bought by a lot of retail trader because in the greed mode, and they think everything will be in the dip. That's why we see a big spike for a lot of stocks. Right now we see a lot of red right now happening for the market. However, we already did the other video, we talked about the stock that went in the green, and why, because we have major news for them. For Bbig, we don't have any new news happening today or yesterday to help us to hold above the $3.07, which is held for a moment. If you saw it here, we held pretty good here. However, the short is winning. The moment that we talked about it, what we said, the moment that's been rejected below our box, perfectly near around our box, which is started around the $3.50 and the $3.80. We said it, this is crazy volatility, and again I can predict the price where we get rejected because it's volatile for Bbig. Okay, that's why I give the box between the $3.50 and $3.80 and never holding up. That's why it gives us my signal, big signal for rejection and a big selling pressure, and big position of put options and short sellers is there. Okay, it's getting lower. Before it was the box, it was around the $4 and $5 here. We talked about it before, hopefully you saw the video. Right now is lower, and confirm my hypothesis is mean we actually going down. And right now we have another indication for Bitcoin going down below the 35,000. Anyway, that's why I always put a trigger and notification so I never miss what's gonna happen in the market, because I'm dealing with the Patreon, Discord and Trading View community, so I have to be have notifications so I don't miss any my target area for a lot of stocks. You have to do it as well so you never scattered your focus. So as I said, right now for Bbig we have support near this area. We're gonna see a buying pressure. Okay, this is not strong support, however kind of mini support, and this would be normal because a lot of people have a buy limit order around the $2 here and the $2.50. We're gonna see a buying pressure and fighting chance. Okay, a bit of fighting chance between the $2.58 and the $2.65. We're gonna see a fighting chance here for Naked to go up again, and then we're gonna see if we're gonna see a selling pressure and never hold the $2.50. We're gonna see the $2.16 for sure. Okay, so there's always support before the mini the main support. Okay, this is a testing ground for the trader to see if the selling pressure outweighed the buying pressure or not, and this will validate the price to go down. Okay, it's not free falling. It's free falling always happening for stock have like a major bad news. Okay, it's like they're fraud or they actually have they actually double the shares, but they have kind of something not legal or something like this, yeah, you can see the price go down and never respect any support and free falling. However, normal behavior, normal environment for any stock, we're gonna see a bit of fighting chance. Like you can see right now, we're gonna see the 15-minute chart. You can see the green candle forming because there's a lot of people buying right now while we speak. And as I said, this will be a nice support to hold before the $2.16. And again, right now, what I see in the market, what it's doing, a lot of people looking for safe haven stock. What does mean? A lot right now, as I said in our Discord, what we said right now, the fear and greed index turning around the 36. We have almost between the 500 and the 0. So 0 is mean extremely in fear. Right now we turn in like an orange around the 36. Before, like 2 days ago, I think 30 or 3 days ago, we were on the green. So this is show us that people right now looking for stock have a bit of news right now. Okay, Bbig have news maybe in coming days or coming months. However, people right now looking for the news right now, good news regarding the stock that they want to buy. And add to that, the stock have significant good earning and revenue to support their stock opinion. So that's why we see the stocks that went up today have a major news and good news, like Netflix and the other stock we talked about in the last video. If you didn't watch it, try to watch it after this video, because it gives you some kind of a direction, something to know what's the market is doing right now. The market is just people, okay, me and you. If you make it like chart and electronic, you can understand the market. The market is people psychology. Whatever happened in the world is kind of reflecting on the market. So people feel fear. When people feel fear, they sell, okay? They never be logical. They just sell and panic selling, okay? When the price go up and we have in the bull market, the people jump in to buy because they fear that they miss the 100%, the 200%, because they rely on the bad, the backed data that they see that the other stock like AMC or GameStop will jump like almost 500% or 700%. So they feel that you're gonna miss this train. So if you just digest everything what happened before, it happened again and again and again. So that's why I said have a strategy, just be disciplined in your trading, and you can see the result afterward. So if you want to know how to short or how to buy the dip and how to be disciplined in trading, you can join us in Bitget on Discord, where we do alert for a lot of stocks and give you some kind of a way to trade without stress. So without further ado, press the like button and see you in the next update.